Are you ready to learn how to turn everyday objects into useful tools? Today we'll show you amazing ideas that will make your life easier. From tricks with paper clips to creative solutions for your pets, we've got ideas for everyone. Let's dive together into the world of helpful tips and tricks. Take a regular paper clip. Cut the insulation on one end to expose the metal. Now you have a handy tool for ejecting a sim tray, always within reach. If there's no can opener handy, you can open a can with a regular spoon. Remove the spring from a paper clip. Drill holes in the pliers handles. Insert the spring into the pliers. Now your pliers will open on their own. Cut a plastic bottle in half. Wrap tape around a pipe to secure the bottle neck. Insert a light bulb into the bottle. Now you have a useful tool for changing ceiling light bulbs. Cool, isn't it? When you need to quickly park a bike without a stand, just rest one pedal on the curb. This will help the bike stay stable and not fall over. If your cat likes to walk on the table and leave paw prints, there's a simple way to stop it. Lay strips of tape sticky side up. Cats don't like sticky surfaces, and this is a gentle way to discourage bad behavior. Let's try putting the cat back on the table. This time, something clearly bothered it. Looks like our plan worked. To use toothpaste more efficiently, you can carefully roll the tube from the end. Use a paper clip to fix it in place, helping save every bit of toothpaste. For convenient phone storage while charging, use adhesive wall hooks. 2 hooks will securely hold the device on the wall. If the load is too big and the trunk won't close, use a soft pipe insulator to protect the trunk door and prevent damage. Take a plastic cup and make holes in it. Thread tubes through the holes and hang spools of thread on them. Now the threads can be easily pulled through the holes without tangling. For easy storage of sugar or other dry goods on a trip, you can use drinking straws. Cut them into sections and seal the ends, creating compact portions. At the right moment, they're easy to open and add, for example, to tea. To avoid dirtying the plate, you can use plastic wrap. Just cover the plate before putting food on it. This will keep the dishes clean and save time on washing. To make cleaning the cat litter tray easier, you can use a trash bag. Place it over the tray and pour in the litter. When the cat uses the tray, you can easily collect and dispose of the whole bag with the litter. If you're out of the right size batteries but have a smaller one, you can use a simple hack. Take a piece of foil, fold it several times. Insert it with the battery to fill the size gap and keep using the device. After cleaning fish, if the smell stays on your hands, you can use toothpaste. It helps eliminate the odor. If you don't have special bag clips, you can use a regular paper clip. Just roll up the food bag and secure it with the clip. If you need to pull out a nail without a head, use pliers. If you don't have a spoon but want to eat yogurt, you can use the foil from the lid. Just fold it into a spoon shape and enjoy your yogurt. If your clothes have cat fur on them, you can use a paint roller. Just wrap painter's tape around it, sticky side out, and use it to quickly clean your clothes from fur. To organize pod lid storage, you can use regular coat hooks. Attach them to kitchen cabinet doors, and the lids will be neatly stored within easy reach. If you have an empty chocolate box with compartments, you can use it as an ice tray. Pour water into the compartments and place it in the freezer. The resulting ice cubes can be added to drinks. To prevent liquid from leaking in a trash bag, you can use newspaper as an absorber. Just place it in the bag, and it will soak up moisture, preventing spills. If a ring is too tight and hard to remove, you can use a thread and a paper clip. For safe, nice storage, you can use the cardboard core of a toilet paper or paper towel roll. Slip it over the blade to prevent damage to a backpack or for safe storage. To improve laptop cooling, you can use egg cartons as a stand. Place the laptop on the cartons to create airflow underneath and help prevent overheating. You can make a handy vegetable storage from a large plastic jug. Cut ventilation holes and remove the top or side. The resulting container is perfect for storing vegetables. Unfold a paper clip and thread it through a straw. Cut off the bottom of a chip canister. Attach the straw to the lid of the chip canister. Attach a metal cap, like a bottle cap, to the other end. Secure the candle on the lid and light it. After a while, the lid will automatically lower and extinguish the flame. WD-40 can be used for various household problems, including unsticking items. Simply apply it to glued surfaces, and it will help separate them easily. To close an open chip bag and keep them fresh, just roll up the top of the bag and secure it. This will help maintain the chips' crunch and flavor longer. Cut a hole in the bottom of a plastic bottle. Cut off the top and bottom of another bottle. Make a hole in the top part of the first bottle and insert the neck of the other bottle. Make legs for better stability. Now you can fill it with food that will gradually pour out as the cat eats from below. And you can make a handy organizer for bathroom items from an empty cleaning product bottle. To get rid of unpleasant shoe odor, place orange peels inside. That's all for today. See you next time.